Hello friends, welcome to video tutorial of WedgeCommerce that helps to build your own e-commerce store native on Salesforce. In this video tutorial, I'll proceed further to guide you to configure and set up the store admin part. In the last video tutorial, as you have already configured the general and SEO tabs, so now we need to proceed further to set up the additional feature tab. Over here, currently in the configuration under store admin, then you will get the additional features tab. And you can see that we have three options down here: enable shipping and tax, enable multi-currency, and enable multi-language. So you need, if you want to apply the location-based shipping and taxes in your e-commerce site that you are creating, so you need to enable this functionality, and it will additionally add it shipping and tax section down here under this panel. So just enable it. Same goes with the enable multi-currency. Like if you want to have a multi-currency functionality on your e-commerce store or multi-language functionality on your e-commerce store, then you need to just enable these options. Now, as I have checked market, just save it, and you may find three different tabs for each section. So let's verify. So as you can see that the shipping and taxes, a new section has been added under this panel. Like for the locations that you need to define, then you need to define the shipping methods and the taxes. Further, you can see under configurations, you will find multi-currency and multi-language functionality. So if we quickly proceed with the multi-currency, so this is the default Salesforce org currency that you can see, which is the default one. And we have option down here that whatever the currencies that you define under this list, you can enable those currencies for the dynamic currency update. If you enable the dynamic currency update, then on your e-commerce store that you will build, the conversion of the currencies will be on the dynamic rate, and it will show the current conversion rate of the product pricing. If you just mark it disabled, like if suppose if I just edit it, and if you want to have a manual like currency update, so you need to define the currency rate as well, and you just need to simply disable the dynamic currency update. So in that way it will be working. So in the video tutorial for how you need to set up the multi-currency and multi-language, you may find how to you need to proceed with the setup and configuration of the multi-currency, multi-language, and the shipping and taxes. So thank you for watching this video. Just proceed with the next video tutorials to define the feature activation and the web analytics section of the store admin part. Thank you for watching this video and using WedgeCommerce. Have a great day.